Hello everyone and welcome back. It's Marina here and today I'm working on a new design team project I made for Nitwit Collections using the new release Mabel, if I pronounce it well. Of course, you will find the link to this marvelous collection down below in the description area. This is such a cute spring folio, can anyone make so easily? This measures 15.5 by 21 centimeters and as all of you asked it for, the 8x8 folio I uploaded last week, I will make the tutorial for it hopefully during this week or next Monday. So amazing background with a spot for journaling down here. So let's see these gorgeous spaces for pictures. Here I made a pocket that holds these pre-made tag labels and you will find them as they are on the bundle. On this flap I used the decorative paper as a pocket. These birds are so adorable. It opens this way and here is a pocket with these cards. Absolutely amazing. And this one is another really romantic pattern. I don't know for you, but I'm thinking that I wouldn't stick any pictures on the spots, but only I could use them as a journaling place. So here I would like to say that on the tutorial you will see me making this accordion fold using 4 pieces of black cardstock, but it ended up quite bulky, so I had to remove the one piece, so please use only 3 pieces of black cardstock for this accordion fold, okay? So here I made a belly band with this beautiful sentiment on the center and it holds a big journal label. So we are now going to build the base of the folio using 2 A4 pieces of black cardstock. I am using double-sided tape on the short side to bring them together. We put this whole thing on the scoring board and score at 15.5 and 16.5 centimeters. And now we fold the paper on this second scoring line we made and put it in this way on the scoring board. Again, we are scoring at 15.5 and 16.5 centimeters. We repeat the same procedure and we make the last scoring line at 15.5 centimeters. We are going to cut out this part with a trimmer. So now we are going to put some magnets. First, I put a small amount of liquid glue, I stick the magnet, and then I secure it with a piece of double-sided tape. Now we have to burnish well with a bone folder and put double-sided tape on all the 1.5 scored parts as shown here. So that was the tutorial for today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye!